Hello, children. This is your English teacher, and today we are going to do the fifth part of the Tiger King. So, here we go. Until the fourth part of this chapter, we discussed how the Tiger King completed his mission to kill 70 tigers, and for remaining 30 more tigers, he got married with a girl of a state's king, and he began to kill 6 to 7 tigers whenever he visited his father's in-laws house. So here he has completed 99 tigers killing, and one is more left to complete in his mission. Thereafter he would be happy and he would never be afraid of tigers. So what happens next? Let us go through the fifth part of this chapter to know. The Maharaja's anxiety reached a fever pitch when there remained just one tiger to achieve his tally of 100. The Maharaja's, the Tiger King's anxiety. He was worried about his 100th one tiger to complete and to achieve his tally of 100, because he has to kill 100 of tigers, and already he has killed 99 tigers. So one is more left to complete his mission, and he was mostly thinking and worried about his last target, that was 100 tiger to kill. He had his one thought during the day and the same dream at night. Most of the time, the Tiger King was thinking about the tiger killing, because it was the last tiger that he has to kill to complete his target, and most of the time, at each moment, he was thinking about that one, at night as well as day. By this time, the tiger farms had run dry, even in his father-in-law's kingdom. By this time, by that time, not a single tiger was left at the territory of his father-in-law's kingdom, where he got married a girl. There were no tiger in that state as well. He has killed all the tigers of that state. It means in the kingdom of his father-in-law and in his own kingdom. Means अपने और अपने फादर इन लॉ के किंगडम में जितने भी टाइगर्स थे, it was 99 tigers there, and he killed all of them. So it became impossible to locate tigers anywhere, and it was impossible to locate and to find a single tiger anywhere in these two states, in his own kingdom and his father-in-law's kingdom as well. Now, yet only one more was needed, and he needed only a single tiger to complete his mission. So he was roaming, he was looking after for a single tiger, but it was impossible to locate that tiger anywhere in two states. If he could kill just that one single beast, the Maharaja would have no fears left. If he would be successful to kill the last one, he will never be afraid of anything else, according to the prediction of that astrologer, that he predicted that the king or the Maharaja has to be aware of last one, 100th tiger. So he was impatiently waiting for that moment when he would be successfully killing that last tiger. He could give up tiger hunting altogether, and by completing his mission by killing that last tiger, he would be giving up tiger hunting altogether. Means he will leave. Oh. Here in the first paragraph, last line, he could give up tiger hunting altogether. we are reading here, we he could give up tiger hunting altogether. Means he will leave tigers hunting at all after completing his mission. Next, but he had to be extremely careful with that last tiger. As the astrologer predicted and gave prophecy about King Tiger's life, it was to be aware of 100th one. Extremely, he has to be careful with the last tiger. What had the late chief astrologer said? Even after killing 99 tigers, the Maharaja should beware of the 100th one. It was the prediction, as that astrologer has given prophecy about the king's life, that he could kill 99 tigers in his life to complete his mission, but he has to be aware, he has to beware of the 100th one, because that last tiger would be the reason of his death according to the prediction. So the Raja, the Maharaja was thinking that I have to be extremely aware and careful with that last tiger, because according to the prophecy, he may be the reason of my death. What happened next? True enough, and it may be true enough, the tiger was savage beast after all. And the tiger, savage means dangerous, okay, very cruel animal after all. So it is our priority to save our life. So the tiger think that it is a savage beast after all, so he has to be aware. उसको सावधान तो रहना ही होगा, क्योंकि टाइगर बहुत ही खतरनाक जानवर होते हैं. One had to be wary of it. But where was that 100th tiger to be found? One has to be wary of it. Means one should know that tigers are very dangerous and risky, cruel animals. It may be dangerous for humans' life to sacrifice and to give up from their life. Now, but where was that 100th tiger to be found? But what was the problem? The problem was, but where was that 100th tiger to be found? But where could we found that 100th one? उस आखिरी टाइगर को पाए कहाँ से? It was only the last moment of his mission. He has to only do one hunting for completing his mission, and thereafter he would be giving up hunting at all, और वो पूरी तरह से hunting छोड़ देंगे. Now what happened next? It seemed easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. Erase. It seemed easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. It was easier, means to find tiger's milk was easier than to find a live tiger. Means टाइगर का दूध पाना आसान था, लेकिन एक जिंदा टाइगर पाना मुश्किल हो गया था, because the king had killed all the tigers in his kingdom as well as in his father-in-law's kingdom. 99 tigers are enough to find out and to locate in 2 states. एक स्टेट में 50 टाइगर्स या 2 स्टेट में 100 टाइगर्स को लोकेट कर पाना अपने आप में बड़ी बात है. और वो राजा अपने साथ साथ अपने जो फादर इन लॉ थे, जहाँ पे उनकी शादी हुई थी टाइगर किंग की, वहाँ के भी स्टेट्स के जितने भी टाइगर्स थे वो सबको मार डाले थे. तो अब जो लास्ट टाइगर बचा हुआ था मारने को, ये उनको नहीं मिल रहा था और वो काफ़ी परेशान थे इस चीज़ को लेके. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हर समय, चाहे दिन हो चाहे रात हो, हर टाइम वो वही सोच रहे थे कि कैसे मैं वो 100वां टाइगर पा जाऊं और मार दूं और अपना मिशन कंप्लीट करूं, साथ ही साथ जो हंटिंग है इस चीज़ को गिव अप कर दूं, और फिर उसके बाद मुझे कोई डर सा नहीं रह जाएगा कि अ, मेरी मौत टाइगर के कारण होगी। क्योंकि एक स्टेट में जो टाइगर्स की स्ट्रेंथ होती है, ये जो कैटालॉग किया जाता है, जो भी फॉरेंसिक रिकंस्ट्रक्शन की बात आती है, जैसे जो लोग जंगल विभाग से संबंधित होते हैं, तो मे भी उनको पता होता है इस चीज़ के बारे में एग्जैक्टली नंबर्स क्या होते हैं टाइगर्स के, बिकॉज दे आर नोन एज नेशनल एनिमल। तो इस चीज़ को लेकर वो काफ़ी जो है परेशान थे कि मैं कैसे उस टाइगर को किल करूं। दस द महाराजा वाज शंक इन ग्लूम। अब आगे क्या हुआ, इस प्रकार द महाराजा वाज शंक इन ग्लूम, ही वॉज sunken in the depth of gloom, sadness, disappointment, and lamentation. But soon came the happy news which dispelled that gloom. But later, soon after a few moments, he got a news that was the news of happiness, which dispelled, which eradicated that gloom, that disappointment. Means, after some time, he became happy by getting a happy news. What was that news? In his own state, sleep began to disappear frequently from a hillside village. Okay, in his own state, अपने ही किंगडम में उनको एक न्यूज़ सुनने को मिला, sheep begin to disappear frequently. I mean, someone was there, somebody was there who was killing sheep frequently from a hillside village. There was a village located on hillside, and it was the news which was there that sheep are being killed frequently, sheep are being disappeared frequently. मतलब भेड़ों के गायब होने की सूचना, भेड़ों के गायब होने की सूचना सुनाई दी. It seems that the first uh, ascertained that this was not the work of Kader Mian Sahib and Veerashami Nakar. These both men were known as the killer of sheep, both famed for their ability to swallow sheep whole. Both men were famous and well known for swallowing the whole sheep once, means they could digest, they could swallow the meat of sheep once. एक बार में वो शीप को निगल सकते थे, मीन्स हो सकता है खाने पीने वाले लोग रहे हों, एक शीप वो खा जाते होंगे. तो ये पहले पता लगाया गया दैट इज इट द वर्क ऑफ दोज बोथ मेन आर समथिंग एल्स, या किसी और चीज़ के कारण भेड़ें गायब हो रही हैं. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, Surely a tiger was at work. पहले तो ये पता लगाया कि क्या वो दोनों आदमी ही तो नहीं इसके रीज़न है कि भेड़ों को काट रहे हैं या मार रहे हैं. After some time, surely it was the work of tiger. Maybe there would be a tiger who would be killing the sheep frequently from that hillside. उस हिल साइड के आसपास हो सकता है कोई टाइगर हो जो कि भेड़ों को बार बार मार रहा हो या काट रहा हो. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, surely a tiger was at work. The villagers ran to inform the Maharaja, and all the villagers came to inform. They reported to Raja, I mean Maharaja, that Maharaja announced a 3-year exemption from all taxes from that village and set out on the hunt at once. Okay, Maharaja, he was so happy getting that news, and so that he excused the exemption from all taxes for the villagers. A 3-year exemption means एक साल का पूरा जो टैक्स था विलेजर्स का, वो उसको एक्सक्यूज़ कर देता है, माफ़ कर देता है. ठीक है कि अब एक साल का टैक्स माफ़ हो गया, नहीं लिया जाएगा. इन प्रीमियल टाइम, पुराने समय में, द किंग यूज टू कलेक्ट टैक्सेस फ्रॉम द विलेजर्स। जो प्रजा होती थी उनसे टैक्स वसूला जाता था, जो भी व्यवसायी लोग थे उनसे टैक्स वसूला जाता था। तो जो किंग थे वो काफ़ी खुश हुए कि अब मुझे एक लास्ट टाइगर मिल गया है। सो दैट he announced for 3 year exemption from all taxes। 3 साल का पूरा जो टैक्स था वो माफ़ करने की घोषणा हो गई। और फिर से जो है he went for hunting again। एक बार फिर वो हंटिंग के लिए निकल पड़ते हैं। The tiger was not easily found, but this time it was not easy to find that tiger। टाइगर को पाना बहुत ही मुश्किल था। It seemed as if it had wantonly hid itself in order to flout the Maharaja's will। ऐसा लगता था, it seems that the tiger has wantonly, carelessly hide itself in order to flout, to avoid the Maharaja's will or order। उनके आदेश की अवज्ञा करते हुए ऐसा लग रहा था कि टाइगर ने wantonly मीन्स केयरलेसली, अनजाने में अपने आप को कहीं छुपा लिया हो। सो दैट द टाइगर विल नेवर बी सर्च्ड एंड फाउंड टू बी किल्ड। नाउ द महाराजा वॉज इक्वली डिटरमाइंड। हियर द टाइगर किंग, महाराजा वॉज determined to complete his mission। He was firm for taking his promise of killing 100 tigers। अपने 100 टाइगर्स किलिंग को लेकर राजा भी काफ़ी डिटरमाइंड था कि मुझे अपने मिशन को कंप्लीट ही करना है। He refused to leave the forest until the tiger was found, and he decided to stay in the jungle until he will not kill the 100th tiger to complete his mission। उन्होंने दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञा बनाई कि मैं तब तक जंगल छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा जब तक मैं उस आखिरी टाइगर को नहीं मार लूंगा। As the days passed, the Maharaja's fury and obstinacy mounted alarmingly। As the day was passing, day after day, the Maharaja was fury and obstinacy mounted alarmingly, means his rigidness, okay, and his firmness was increasing। Many officers lost their jobs, and angrily he suspended so many officers from their jobs। अपने अपने जॉब्स बहुत सारे ऑफिसर्स अपनी नौकरी भी खो दिए क्योंकि महाराजा काफ़ी गुस्से में थे। One day when his rage was at its height, one day, एक दिन की बात है, when his rage, anger, गुस्सा, was at its height, when he was getting too much angry, the Maharaja called the Diwan and ordered him to double the land tax for the win। And Maharaja, he got angry and he announced, calling Diwan, that just double the land tax। बहुत गुस्से में, पहले तो 3 साल का टैक्स माफ़ किया। Okay, firstly he excused and announced for excusing and forgiving the tax for 3 years। After some time, when he got angry cause of not finding that tiger easily in the jungle, and he was staying and passing day after day in the jungle outside, so he got angry and announced the Diwan to double the land tax of all the villagers। कि वैसा है कि डबल याद हो, बहुत हो गया इन सबों का नाटक। दे आर नॉट हेल्पिंग, मेरी मदद नहीं कर रहे हैं ये लोग, तो अब जो है टैक्स को डबल कर दिया जाए। द पीपल विल बिकम discontented, then our state too will fall a prey to the Indian National Congress। Diwan advised and recommended the Maharaja that people will get disagree with it, okay, they will never be satisfied। Discontented means disagree and dissatisfied। Then our state will be taken into the hand of Indian National Congress, और जो हमारा स्टेट है ये भी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के हाथ में चला जाएगा. इन दैट केस यू मे रिजाइन फ्रॉम योर पोस्ट एट द किंग. तो राजा क्या बोल रहा है कि इफ़ इट वुड हैपन, अगर ऐसा हुआ दीवान, यूड बी रिजाइनिंग फ्रॉम योर पोस्ट, तो फिर तुम अपने पोस्ट से रिज़ाइन कर दोगे. बहुत ही जिद्दी राजा है. अभी भी इस चीज़ को वो नहीं समझ रहा है कि ये सारा कुछ होगा तो कितना डिस्टर्बेंस होगा. माई रूलिंग एंड रेन एवरीथिंग विल बी डिस्टर्ब्ड एंड माई स्टेट विल बी snatched or seized into the hand of Indian National Congress. He is not aware and worried about such things. He is only resolved to kill last tiger to complete his mission. So this is enough for this period and the time is about to be over. So best of luck everybody.